Okay, the Blackstone Shaper System for profiling, the jig has a set of rollers here, roller followers. This roller and this roller will fit a template. This particular one has a 13-foot radius. Now here's a template that's actually for a Pro Sharp. If I put these together, you can see how they match. So this particular Blackstone system uses a negative on this because this is fixed, and then the profiling device, these rollers follow this, and that's how you get the swing. So it'll be over here like this. Here it's on here, and it's like this. So it's actually swinging the fixture to get the 13-foot radius right there. So this is fixed on the machine up. This is actually a Wasota machine, but it's fixed up like this so it touches the rollers. So you have two mounting gizmos to hold this on. This device here is what's used to move the rollers in and out like this. And that's because where the skate is with respect to the wheel has to vary, because the wheel varies in diameter as you wear it. So it'll be up here touching, like down here like this, and with the skate in the holder, because the different heights of the blade to the outer edge of the blade to where the wheel is, that's why there's an adjustment here. And this, of course, is the up and down movement of the blade, this knob and this knob. When they move in unison, you're lifting the whole blade up to touch the grind wheel. If this one is up and this one's down, you're going to get a blade that's cut wrong. So this is made parallel to the surface that you're using. And on this particular one, there's no tilt. It doesn't tilt like this, like a tri-light fixture. It actually just lifts this up and down. If you have to do a Z-height adjustment due to a thicker or thinner blade, you're going to turn both of these equally once you've got it on the money. Now to calibrate one of these, you can go from a measure from here with a reference surface to a scribe or indicator to this surface, from here to here, and get it on the money. Put some reference marks and then turn these in unison so that this is always parallel. Of course, this is the clamp device that clamps the blade in. And this particular feature here is a forward and reverse, which normally set to 0. Now if you notice, I turn this way over here, this cants the blade with respect to this. This is now fixed, the template. And this is for a forward, and this is for reverse. And this type of thing, when you first start out, should be set to 0. You got to be very careful because you're going to make a set of skates where you're going to be either following backwards or forward. So normally you leave this type of device set on 0 till you kind of figure out what you're doing, and then there's maybe some minor adjustments whether you are a defenseman or a forward, but this is normally something you don't want to fool with until you get the hang of whether you have the right profile. On this particular type of device, you have different profiles. Now if you have a custom one for a blade, you could have somebody mill one, your favorite blade, but this is the negative of the blade, is what this is. Or if you visualize it, that's how this blade fits from here to here. Now, of course, the blade is not this long, 13 foot. You're only going to profile over the section of blade that you're using. This has just got a one single radii, 13 feet, which is pretty long. Normally today you have about 8 or 9 for a single radius with a stock skate. And that's a Blackstone right there. And on the wheels on this, you got to make sure when you vacuum, you need to go ahead and get these so that they're not going to get goofed up on something. They run free. And that's the holder.